Patient portals already give people access to health data, but they don't always make the information easy to understand or explore. This is Medplum AI Concierge, a patient-facing dashboard we built here at Vinta on top of Medplum. It combines structured health data with an AI assistant that can answer questions, generate charts, and surface insights directly from the patient's record. Let me show you how it works. After signing in, the patient lands on a dashboard connected to their Medplum data. The experience is organized around a few core areas. There is the main AI chat, where the patient can ask questions in natural language. There are widgets that the assistant can generate dynamically, like charts and structured lists. And there are dedicated views for medications and care plans, so the patient can move between screens while still using the assistant as a guide. One of the most useful parts of the concierge is that the patient can ask for a trend instead of a raw value. For example, they can ask for their blood pressure over the last 6 months. The assistant reads the underlying health data and generates a chart right inside the dashboard, and the same applies to lab data. The concierge can also organize health data in a more useful way when the patient wants to review a broader set of information. For example, they can ask for all charts related to a specific care plan, and the assistant understands the request and brings together what's relevant. Medications are a good example of where plain language support matters. Here, the patient can open the medications view and ask a direct question like, "Why do I have to take metformin?" Instead of just listing the prescription, the assistant explains the purpose of the medication in context. The chat is the main interaction layer across the whole experience. Patients can start with a question, then ask a follow-up, refine it, or move from one topic to another. That makes the interface feel less like a fixed dashboard and more like an assistant that can navigate the record with them. This is a practical example of how AI can make healthcare data easier to understand and act on. Medplum AI Concierge is open source, so you can explore the code on GitHub and build on top of it. And if you need help to bring something like this into production, just reach out. See you!